Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to another Allegro 5 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you guys the mouse events. So, we learned about the window event and the keyboard event, but what if you want to interact with the window or make the window close just by a click of a button? Well, you got the mouse events. And a mouse event is basically software, OS, operating system, and whatever program it is, um, that are they're being executed by the mouse click, or responding through a single mouse click, or probably double mouse click if you prefer. An example of that kind of scenario is um, a menu button, a menu bar. So in order to have a menu bar pop up, you need to right click somewhere in the screen. And it really varies whether you're on the desktop or different browsers or different programs. So how do you implement the mouse events? So most of it is basically the same thing, except you need to take out keyboard and put in mouse. So instead of install keyboard, you need to put mouse. Instead of get keyboard event source, you need to put get mouse event source. All right. And then inside the game loop, you go right into the if statement. So the first two is the same. You need to tell, but in the if statement, you need to tell the program um, that the type of it is basically a mouse button down. Wow, yeah, I know you guys are really confused. So what I mean by it is you're telling the program if there's a mouse click. And if there's a mouse click, what's going to happen? Well, we want to specify the program, in this case, to close it when we left click uh, somewhere in the screen. So how do we tell them that if I left click somewhere in the screen, the window closes? Well, you put in the if statement, and unlike the keyboard, you don't do switch case. You put if this event name dot mouse dot button ampersand 1, and what the 1 means is left click. If you want to implement right click in the if statement, you put the number 2. Middle click is 3. Once you do that, you tell the program to break the loop inside the if statement, and then once you do that, after the game loop, it's self-explanatory, just like the last tutorial. You just need to free up this display and the event queue. Alright, without further ado, let's get right to the demonstration. Alrighty, let's get right into it. So pretty much everything is the same, except you just need to change everything that says keyboard to mouse and change the if statements. So let's take that out and put in if e.type, oh no, not Allegro event, type, and then Allegro event mouse button down, and then if mouse the button ampersand 1, you put done equals true. And then you basically compile that. Hopefully that works. And it actually works. So there you go. You you got window event, and you got keyboard event and mouse event. And they're going to be more where this came from. And we're going to be making use of it in the later Allegro tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.